welcome to my crib. I'm just kidding, I really wish this was my crib, but I'm actually staying at a luxury hanok in Korea. If you guys don't know what hanok is, it is a very old style Korean house. The best way I can explain it is not even my grandparents, but my great-great-grandparents used to live in hanoks. It just feels kind of surreal and so beautiful to be able to experience this kind of renovated in this day and age. I am a sucker for architecture, especially Japanese and Korean inspired, with a lot of natural elements. When I saw this place, I was like, I have to make sure I can stay here while I'm in Korea. But let me tell you, getting a reservation here was very difficult. Please don't mind my hair and outfit right now. It is so humid in Korea. Literally like drenched in my sweat, and I'm ready to jump into this bath right now. So let me show you guys a little room tour. Guys, here's a tour of my hanok. We have this beautiful window where my bed actually is placed, but we'll get into that because it's so pretty. Let me show you. You open the sliding doors and you have an area to put your shoes. When you come in, this is the overview of the room. Let me just show it really quickly before we get into the details. First thing we have here is a private bath. I believe this is onsen water. I can be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is hot spring water. This is such a cute detail. We got some salts to make a salt bath. There's actually like really hot water steaming from here, so I think it is an onsen. I'm gonna go with my gut. A lot of cute details. I don't know if you noticed, but they're actually playing music as soon as I came in, which was a really nice touch. So we have some goodies here. A trial kit. We'll open that up later. And what is this? Oh, some tea. I just noticed this matcha whisk, and I'm guessing there's matcha, or maybe it's for the tea. So we have the kettle. We have somewhere to warm the kettle. Very cute corner right here. We have a bathrobe. This is a sink area, drinking water with a safe integer filter. You don't need to clean the cup you use. Oh, and here's the fridge. This is the breakfast that I picked up, so I'm probably gonna just store that in the fridge. Over here we have a book. Oh, this is so cute. This is one of those books where you write like a message if you stayed here. Got some pencils. Very cute. I mean, the vibes here are immaculate. And we have this little nook corner, which is where I have my stuff right now. Also has some books tucked away. And then this is the bed. Honestly, this is inspiration for my future home. Because I mean, I would love to wake up to this circle window every day. So we have like the hanok style wood on the top. So I think we showed you pretty much everything. Let me show you guys the bathroom. Open it up. I don't know what this is. Slow humming. Oh, body lotion. We got some Aesop shampoo. Korean style bathroom. They just have like one big drain here, and this whole area is a shower. And then that's it. These are the books that I picked up at the bookstore. So this one is called Before the Coffee Gets Cold. I believe it is a bestseller. And then I found this book. I definitely judged a book by its cover, but it kind of seemed interesting to me. All right, I think it's time to get changed and relax and enjoy this hanok. We have these slow humming kits. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. It's a trial kit. We have, oh, bergamot watery wood scent. That's so nice. I guess you can take these home. One is a body wash and one is a lotion. I believe this is the same one, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Ooh. Completely forgot that I ordered this makgeolli. There's so much. I am not really someone who drinks often, so I don't know how I'm gonna finish this. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Makgeolli is a rice alcohol, if you guys were wondering, but you're supposed to give it slight shake like that. Complete fail. I shook it way too much. This is literally my problem. I feel like I know something and then I don't. Ooh. Oh my gosh, 이거 안 될 것 같은데? I think I got it. Wow, I got it. Cheers to myself, to Jen. I love you, from me. Oh, 맛있어. Wait, that is actually so good. I think I can kill this. Cheers, guys. At least you guys are with me and I'm not completely alone. All right, 2 shots in. I think I'm going to head into the bath. Shower, hence the wet hair. So I decided to do a skincare routine just to show you guys what I'm using in Korea right now. I've made quite a few mistakes on this trip so far. Mistake number 1, I forgot to bring cotton pads. So we are just going to deal with toilet paper. You gotta do what you gotta do. Now that I made my own cotton pads, I never ever remove my makeup without using some sort of lip and eye remover because you don't want to be harsh around the eyes. You know, I'm also an eye doctor, so that is something I really stand by. You take your eye makeup off using something like this, it just makes it a lot easier. Usually Korean lip and eye removers come in 2 layers like this, an oil layer and a water layer. Before you use it, all you have to do is give it a little bit of a shake. All right, so normally I would put this on a cotton pad, but we have our DIY cotton pad here today. I place this on my eye area for about 15-20 seconds. Once 15 seconds are up, I'm gonna go ahead and just really gently swipe, and it pretty much takes off all the eye makeup. I always go around the eyebrows as well, and then I'll just take the cotton pad and kind of clean up this area. The easiest way to remove makeup, I was using waterproof makeup and it just all came off. With whatever's remaining, I go ahead and take my lip product off. Afterwards, I always go in with an oil cleanser. The one that I have been loving in Korea is this one by Numbuzin. I have used the Manyo one, which is the best seller, but I actually went in person in Olive Young. If you guys don't know Olive Young, it's kind of like the Korean Ulta. Asked her which one was the best selling, and she said that it was the Manyo, but the second best was the Numbuzin. So I've already tried the Manyo and I didn't really want to buy it again. I wanted to try something new, so I got the Numbuzin. And I really love this one. I think this is actually one of the best cleansing oils that I've ever used, and I don't say that lightly. The reason why I love this is because the oil texture is really thin. Even though it's really thin, it does an amazing job at pulling the sebum out of your skin as well as clearing out those pores. I feel like a lot of cleansing oils tend to be on the thicker side, so this is the thinnest formula I found, and I really like the way it sits on my skin. I'm gonna just pull my hair back. I go in with about 3 pumps. I give it a good circular massage. I go this way and then I go that way and really focus on any areas where I have trouble. So blackhead area, my T-zone. Sorry, the air conditioner just started playing. Even with my eyes open under like that. So once I've given myself a nice and long massage, you want to emulsify your face, and that is the most important step to make sure oil cleansers don't break you out. So emulsifying is really simple. You just wet your hands and then you give your face a nice rub. This is going to make the cleanser turn into a milky texture. Mistake number 2, I actually forgot my cleansing foam at home. So I went to the convenience store, and luckily in Korea, the convenience stores have some skincare. Pure and Deep Cleansing Foam by Manyo. I really like a lot of Manyo products, so I thought that it would fit with my skin. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face using the cleansing foam, and I'll be back. All right, my face is nice and clean. You'll see some of the red marks. This is from my facial. Basically the B-beam laser that I get, it kind of just bruises your skin everywhere. Literally after 3 to 4 days, my skin is like baby skin, so that's why I get it done. Next thing I'm gonna go in with is a serum, and this has been my favorite serum this summer. Literally, whenever I put this on, I always have people complimenting my skin. They're always like, oh, what did you put on your skin today? It's always glowing. This is by Heta. I actually got this sent to me about like 2 to 3 years ago, but I only got to use it this summer, and I'm just like really shocked because I'm probably gonna buy another bottle. I just don't know how I have lived without this. And I'm just going to take my fingertips and massage this everywhere. This has niacinamide, which is really good for sebum control. So while I was here in Korea, I actually got a skin analysis, and I have really high collagen, and my skin is doing pretty good for its age. My only problem was that my sebum production was like through the roof, which makes sense because I'm very acne prone. So that's why I started using a niacinamide serum every day. Niacinamide helps with the sebum control. I noticed that when I use niacinamide, I have way less breakouts than usual. So it is definitely a staple for anyone who produces a lot of sebum. All right, so you can just see how glowy my skin looks. This is why I'm obsessed with this product. It's also very gentle. Sometimes niacinamide formulas can be a little bit too rough on my skin, but this one is really good, and I just love how hydrated and plump my skin feels after. This is the Astura Auto Barrier S, and this is just what I use to rebuild my skin barrier. So on days where I do get a facial and my skin is very inflamed, I like to go in with this just to give my barrier a little bit of a boost. I'm just gonna take 2 light pumps and use this all over my skin. So the last step in my skincare routine is definitely moisturizer. I'm very excited to show you guys the moisturizer that I have been loving this summer. So my skin is very dry in the winter. I have like genuinely pretty dry skin, but in the summer my skin kind of changes and it becomes more combo or just normal. I can get away with using lighter moisturizers in the summer, and this, guys, basically this sold out on Olive Young last year. It was like pretty popular amongst, I feel like, locals, and this is a cream, but the formula, the texture is like of a gel. So lightweight on the skin, and it keeps my skin super moist throughout the day. I just have not found a moisturizer that I loved more in the summertime. Just dot it on my skin. So I like to just go in here. I don't use eye cream, so I'll just go under my eyes with the same moisturizer and pretty much just put a very even layer of this all over my skin. All right, guys, so this is my skincare routine. The last thing I have to do is put on my glasses. I'm officially ready for a chill night in. Snack break. This is like one of my favorite snacks. If you're in Korea, give it a try if you are into wasabi. This is the kakinotane in wasabi flavor. Looks like this, and it's one of my dad's favorite snacks, which is so weird because me and my dad's taste buds are really similar. My grandma also packed me some oranges. These are from Jeju-do, which is an island in Korea. These are so good. Like, it doesn't look that good because the outside is like kind of greenish like this, and usually green tangerines means that it's not ready. But these are so freaking good. Weird combination after eating the wasabi. So I'm probably gonna save the other one for the morning. Use of my time here, so I'm gonna eat breakfast even though I'm not a breakfast person. So basically I had to go to the shop to pick these up. We're gonna see what's in here. He told me to put it in the fridge. Okay. First thing we have here is some Greek yogurt. Oh my gosh, it's frozen. Maybe I'll let this thaw out before I add the granola. I love granola. It is delicious. We'll start with this crispy bread plate. Danish morning style breakfast. Oh wow, literally crispy bread. We have the cutest little jam. Does that focus? How cute is this jam? Oh, sorry, not jam. It says Forest Shining Spring Honey. I definitely butchered that. It's from Danish beekeepers. Ooh. And then we also have butter, which is perfect because honey and butter is a perfect combination. The last thing we have are some Danish oatmeal cookies. So this one is pretty plain. about to leave. Checkout is in an hour. I think I'm gonna leave early, but this is just one last wrap around at this place. Honestly, I didn't get the best sleep because I was scared of sleeping alone, but it's fine. Baby steps. This is the garden area. Here's the window that I saw through, and my bed is right there, as you can see. And then we have this little tree and some pots. That's it. And this is the door out.